Did people thousands of years ago use cosmetics? Was something like eyeliner even available to people back then? Let's take a look at the ancient history of cosmetics and what those early beauty rituals really meant. Cosmetics in various forms have been a part of human culture for thousands of years. Ancient civilizations experimented with different substances to enhance their appearance, express identity, and even apply cosmetics for medicinal or mystical purposes. Across these cultures, beauty rituals were more than decoration. They carried social and spiritual meaning. Anthropologists suggest that cosmetics acted as a form of communication, expressing identity, morality, and belonging. Let's start with ancient Egypt. They were a pioneering culture in the art of cosmetics, so it's fitting we begin there. Here's a wonderful cosmetic box from ancient Egypt. The detailed designs on it show how much pride they took in storing their cosmetics. With a history spanning over 6,000 years, cosmetic practices in ancient Egypt were not only about personal grooming, they were deeply connected to cultural and spiritual practices. Products such as kohl, a black eyeliner, and kermes, a red dye made from insects, were used both by men and women across social classes. Eye makeup was not just for beauty, but was also believed to protect against the sun's glare and even ward off evil spirits. They adored scented oils and perfumes not only for their fragrance, but also for their moisturizing benefits in Egypt's hot, dry climate. Cosmetics also played a role in religious rituals believed to aid the journey to the afterlife. Cleopatra, one of the most famous figures in history, was renowned for her elaborate use of cosmetics. Beyond her beauty routine, Cleopatra's use of makeup symbolized leadership and divine association, a political language as much as a personal one. She used natural ingredients like honey and milk to cleanse and moisturize her skin, and aromatic oils to keep her hair soft and shiny. Even today, when beauty brands connect appearance to empowerment, confidence, or success, they echo Cleopatra's same message, that beauty can communicate power. Now, let's turn to Mesopotamia, in the region of modern-day Iraq and surrounding areas. There, people crafted perfumes and scented oils from aromatic resins such as myrrh and frankincense. These weren't just luxuries, they were essential for hygiene, helping mask odors in the intense heat. Beauty here was a practical and social expression, showing refinement and care for the body. In ancient Greece, pale skin was prized as a symbol of wealth and leisure. Women used a whitening paste called ceruse to lighten their complexion and mixed crushed mulberries with red wine to tint their lips and cheeks. Olive oil, honey, and botanical extracts were also common ingredients in their skincare and hair care routines. In Greece, beauty was closely tied to ideals of purity, harmony, and status, and cosmetics helped communicate those values. Moving to ancient Rome, beauty rituals became a part of daily life. Romans took part in elaborate cleansing ceremonies and public bathhouses using oils, scrubs, and powders. Makeup was equally popular. Powders to brighten the skin, kohl for the eyes, and rouge for the cheeks. These rituals express refinement and belonging within society's upper classes. Beauty was a sign of civilization, of discipline, pleasure, and prosperity. In ancient India, cosmetics blended spirituality, health, and aesthetics through principles of Ayurveda. People used natural ingredients like sandalwood, turmeric, and henna to create skincare and hair care treatments. Their cosmetics weren't just for adornment, they were also seen as medicine, balancing body and mind. Henna, for instance, decorated the body while cooling and soothing the skin. Across all these ancient cultures, cosmetics were a mirror of what each society valued. Kohl in Egypt represented protection and status. Pale skin in Greece and Rome symbolized purity and privilege. In India, fragrant oils and herbs signify balance and devotion. Beauty wasn't just personal, it was social, spiritual, and deeply human. Over time, technological and social changes reshaped what beauty meant. The Industrial Revolution brought safer ingredients and made cosmetics more accessible, expanding beauty beyond the elite. Later, scientific advances and digital technology transformed beauty again, from ingredient innovation to AI powered skin analysis and social media filters that influence how people see themselves. Each wave of innovation redefined what society considered natural or beautiful. Looking at these developments through a cultural lens helps us see that beauty has always reflected both personal identity and social meaning. Today, global movements for inclusivity and authenticity are challenging old ideas, yet the industry still draws inspiration from ancient traditions, from Ayurvedic oils to clay masks and charcoal cleansers rooted in early practices. So, how have those early traditions shaped the way we talk about cosmetics today? When brands promise radiance or confidence, they're echoing the same values that guided beauty thousands of years ago. These may have been humble beginnings, but we can celebrate the timeless allure of cosmetics. The history of beauty shows that people have always used cosmetics to express identity, culture, and aspiration. What's changed is the science and technology that allows us to keep redefining what beauty means, and that evolution is still unfolding today.